This video only for you, beautiful Ikebana flower arrangement and beautiful love quotes. The best love is the kind that awakens the soul, that makes us reach for more, that plants the fire in our hearts and brings peace to our minds. That's what I hope to give you forever. I love you not for whom you are, but who I am when I'm by your side. Your absence has gone through me like thread through a needle. Everything I do is stitched with its color. I wish you to know that you have been the last dream of my soul. My heart is and always will be yours. I love you, and I will love you until I die. And if there's a life after that, I'll love you then. To be your friend was all I ever wanted. To be your lover was all I ever dreamed. My love for you is a journey, starting at forever and ending at never. Love is an endless act of forgiveness. Forgiveness is the key to action and freedom. The greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. Let us always meet each other with a smile, for the smile is the beginning of love. I love you not because of anything you have, but because of something that I feel when I'm near you. Just in case you have forgotten today. You matter, you are loved, you are worthy, you are magical. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. I found my soulmate. I found my one true love. I found my one and only forever and always. I found that in you. You are the reason I wake up with a smile every morning. You are the secret to my peaceful nights. Kiss me and you will see stars. Love me and I will give them to you. All of me loves all of you. I would find you in any lifetime. You are the best thing that's ever been mine. And in her smile, I see something more beautiful than the stars. In case you ever foolishly forget, I am never not thinking of you. You make my world brighter just by being in it. I choose you, and I will keep choosing you over and over. Your love feels like a deep breath of fresh air. I didn't know what love was until I met you. You are the one that my soul loves. In you, I found everything I had ever been searching for. You make my heart smile in ways I never thought possible.